Jatuh, jauh dong, larinya dong. Hey baby, hey baby, don't touch me, don't touch me.
You as bad as tossing as you is driving.
Tai. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi dengan gue sini dan kita bakal lanjutin lagi GTA San Andreas-nya. Dan sekarang kita sudah berada di depan rumah yang kemarin kita beli. Aku guys. Nih rumahnya ini nih tuh. Yuk kita unboxing yuk. Kemarin nih kalau misalkan kalian yang belum lihat ya ini dia dalamnya tuh. Tuh ada dapur, ada kompor, ada mesin cuci. Mesin cuci yang butuh apa ya? Itu toren nih. Ada tempat cucian piring tapi nggak ada kerannya. Ini langsung tempat tidur aja, cuma satu ruangan doang guys. Sini ada lemari sebelah kiri tuh. Ini enggak, tapi gue malas masuk. Di situ ada tempat save, kamar mandi. Langsung ya nah. Sekarang kita mau langsung ke misi selanjutnya. Alright. Kok ngelek ya cok? Ih ngelek parah. Oh kita akan ke rumah si Big Smoke. Aduh nabrak cok. Ke rumah si Big Smoke mampir bang. Misi apa yang ada di Big Smoke? Oh lock. Misi apa ya?
Yeah, you know Jeffrey's been somebody's bitch for the past 3 weeks, right?
Tuh ternyata ada di belakang cok.
Yeah.
Hey,
What's up, CJ?
What's up? What's up, man? Wanna go to prison? What?
Nah, pick up Jeffrey. He's touching down today. You wanna roll?
Yeah, for sure. What Jeffrey doing locked up anyway?
We'll talk about that later, man. Let's roll. We're late.
Lock itu apa guys? Saya tidak tahu guys. Kemana ya?
Good to hang with you, brother. I'm sorry I can get a little tense.
Aduh.
It ain't Jeffrey no more. It's OG Loke.
OG Low.
OG Lock.
He's a real gangster now.
I see. And what do he do?
Anything he can get thrown in
OG
jail
Loke.
for his career, joyriding, parking fines, and some other
Wah.
bullshit.
Oh bisa lo sini cok. Kirain nggak bisa ya. Waduh ada di bawah. Titiknya ada di bawah. Sorry. Kita lewat mana ya? Di sini nggak bisa pula nih. Oh bisa dong lewat sini dong. Tidak ada yang tidak bisa. Terguling bisa bangun lagi. Kalau terguling tidak bisa bangun lagi. Oh my god. Ini apa ya? Ini apa tuh urusan? Terguling dan lagi misinya akan gagal. Oh ini dia. OG Lock. Apa itu OG Lock man? I don't know man.
There that fool go.
Look at this fool, man. Perpetrate like he
Eta saha nih? Maunya.
I know that fool can't be serious.
Hey, what's happening with you, Jeffrey?
Oh Jeffrey namanya.
Hey, man, it's OG Loke, homie. OG Loke. My bad. How was it though, homie?
Maaf
Man,
ya.
what you think? How was it?
Hey, chill out, dude.
Santai.
So what you wanna do now?
Man, I gotta kill some chola motherfucker. He was dissing me, man.
Hey, Jeff. I thought you was going to college.
Man, fuck you. Motherfucker done stole my rhymes. He's in East Flores. Hey, give me a strap.
Man, why don't you stall us out with that shit to get in the car? Fool.
Apa ya? Gue nggak ngerti pembicaraan dia. Lanjutlah ke titik yang si kuning ke titik kuning. Let's go. Tapi sebelum itu kita dengerin dulu percakapan dia apa ya.
Motherfucker always trying to
Baru kita skip.
You got that right. Still, ain't so bad. I'ma be a hygiene technician.
Coming up in the world, huh?
Just a stepping stone to greatness.
Apa itu bacotannya? Let's go lah. Kita langsung ke titik kuning. Wow, deket diskotik guys. Ini diskotik nih. Wah, mana ya? Nih. Aduh, Big Ben. Mana sih titiknya? Nih.
Man, this is the spot.
Ain't this Vago's hood?
Man, I don't give a shit. I'm gangster.
Come on, let's leave Loke to deal with Casanova.
Cara bicaranya
I'll
lucu
stick with
sekali,
Jeffrey.
guys.
I mean, Loke.
Okay,
Aksen
cool. I'll see you guys back
aksen
on
apa
the
ya?
set.
Amerika apa ya? Aksen British ya, aksen Amerika. Gue gak ngerti, coy. Kita langsung aja ke atas nih rumah. Suruh ngapain kita nggak tahu. Wih, ada motor di sebelah kanan.
For you, you motherfucker.
Hey, Loke, hold up.
Jeffrey, you got the wrong idea, man. That was just a prison thing. I got plenty of muchachas on the outside. I don't need your scrawny ass.
Man, ignore him. CJ, I don't know what he talking about. Hey, yo, give me back my rhymes, you thief. I'm gangster.
You dropped the soap, sugar. I don't know nothing about any rhymes.
Hey, motherfuckers making a run for it.
Oh, ini musuh gangster dia.
Hey, Loke, get back here, nigga. You crazy.
Oh, duh. Suruh ngejar lagi, Cok. Ini dia sesinya
Ooh, chase
di mana
me,
kita
chase
akan
me.
aduh, ngeribet. Kita akan main kejar-kejaran di gang-gang kecil ya. Tuh kan, sedap banget. Kejar-kejaran main di gang kecil. Tapi dia, aduh, jatuh, jauh dong, larinya dong.
Come on, honey, I'm losing my patience.
Come on. Tapi ditungguin dah. Tapi dia sendiri. Tapi dia bisa main tembak-tembakan gitu, jago juga dia nyetir. Ini kayaknya bakal sulit juga deh.
I like the fast ass, not the
Oh, di mana
slow
sih?
ass.
Anjay. Wah, nggak bener nih. Asli ini susah nih misi nih. Oh, dia ngerem loh, bangke. Dia ngerem.
I thought you were
Sial.
king, coupon.
Sial, dia ngerem. Kemana dia? Ke kanan. Oke, ini dia. Tolong lu, jangan susah-susah lah kaburnya ya. Gua nggak tahu. Kalau bocah sini sih iya tahu. Kita bukan akam sih, cowok. Oke, dia jalan ke jalan lebar. Oh, mungkin gue juga bisa nembak ya. Oh, nggak bisa. Awas, santai. Ada sangken. Tabrak lo. Dia nggak nabrak, bisa banget deh. Nyetir sampai, oh shit man.
Yoo-hoo, over here.
Bangke diledekin. You over here. Udah kayak The Warrior.
Hooey, Jeffrey.
Oh, diledekin Jeffrey, sini Jeffrey katanya.
Oh my good God.
Shit man. Fuck is this? Mana dia? Help. Wah, di sebelah sana jauh banget ya. Apa sih? Gitu dong, jatuh loh, Cok. Mana Jeffrey? Simon. Catch and kill Freddy. Jauh coy ini coy. Jangan sampai ketinggalan kita. Freddy ini jago juga bawa motor ini.
Hey, baby, move those sweet cheeks.
Wah, gila gininya.
Gotta show a little bit more enthusiasm, darling.
Mana sih? Susah ya guys. Sambil ngomong gini. Dia muter-muter tadi ke tempat tadi lagi tuh dia.
He's broken my heart.
Oh, ini
Get him, boy.
Yo, I'ma kill that loudmouth motherfucker. Yo, ass.
Lah,
Don't you say a
Udah.
damn thing, CJ.
Was you lonely, Loke? Hey, I like a nice mustache myself.
I keep it real. Unlike you fake ass motherfuckers.
ternyata dia berhenti di suatu
Come on, gangster.
tempat
Let's get back to the
untuk
grove.
Oh, banyak teman-temannya.
this damn job.
Tapi tetap kita
Whatever
menang
you
guys.
want. You wanna ride anyway?
Sure thing. Let's roll.
Let's go.
Hey, take me to the burger shop in Marona
Ada
Beach.
polisi guys. Mana si Freddy? Come on.
You're the boss.
Freddy.
Cause I'm
Jeffrey.
Gene with the hygiene on a mission like a super technician,
Help.
baby.
Motor udah angus gitu lagi.
Get on with that shit, man. Look at you.
Kita OTW ke
All muscly and shit.
titik kuning.
Man, I got 17s on the hand.
Selalu sini gak?
You could have did that out here.
Jangan jatuh mulu dong Jeffrey. Mumun. Oke, kita sedikit lagi sampai di titik kuning. Sepertinya di dekat burger ini coy. Di belakang burger kali ya. Oh iya bener.
Thanks for the ride, CJ. Don't be a stranger, fool.
Yeah, for sure. I'll see you around.
Like a quarter pound. Later.
Ini misinya udah mulai seru nih. Sip. Karena kita mau habis. Kayaknya kita butuh makan dulu deh. Kita makan dulu guys. Oke. Wah berantakan banget nih restoran. Nggak ada OB-nya apa.
How may I serve you?
Kang burgernya kayak gini.
Please enjoy your meal.
Nah, ada
Have
minumannya.
a wonderful day.
Oke Bu, thank you.
Do come back again.
Iya, nanti gue balik lagi. Oke, kita lanjut ke misi yang dekat aja nih, yang ada di belakang burger ini. Deh. Nah, FM Beach.
Looking real
Ini dia
technical,
OB-nya.
gangster.
You ain't run off again yet?
Oh,
No, gangster. I'm here for
si
good.
Jeffrey ini OB di sini,
Well,
coy.
fuck this gig, man. I'm
Kocak
putting
juga.
together a listening party for my album.
Jadi kita
First,
tadi nganterin dia
I need a
kerja.
sound system.
Hey, I'm down as long as I don't have to go to the port.
What you talking about, fool? Guaranteed I start playing, everybody will come through.
Being real OG, I really ain't into rap no more. I'm more into that hardcore gangster shit.
Well, that's me, homie. That's me, OG Loc, baby.
Yeah, for sure. But I only like them if they rhyme real well. You know, well, anyway, what you want me to steal?
That's what I'm talking about. Love for your homies. Now check it. I caught me a real fly sound system cruising through the drive-thru. I think they headed down to the beach for a beach party. Now check this out. I roll with you, and on the way, I can get a couple of freestyles. It's OG Loc in the place. You don't want to stop me with a gun in
Dia
your
malah
face.
Yeah, man. Look, shut the
OG.
fuck up. Maybe I need to do this on my own. I
Dia malah
believe in
nge-rap.
gangster for life, homie.
Tolong.
For life.
Yeah, for life, homie.
Untuk hidup katanya. Beach party. Party pantai. Wah, ada mobil. Mobil siapa? Kita tuh tahu, guys. To do the first look left. Apa sih? Oh, gini kali maksudnya. Yalah. Kita lanjut ke titik kuning. OTW pantai, guys. Nah, beta sudah sampai di pantai. Pesta pantai. Party go and talk to DJ. Kita bakal ngomong sama DJ-nya. Disuruh ngomong sama DJ-nya ngapain? Ding ding tak dung dung ding tak dung dung. Aduh, ini lagunya bakal copyright gak ya? Apa ya? Apa sih ini? Woi, tolong, apa sih ini? Apa sih ini? Gimana ya? Pantai partinya gue nggak tahu nih. Hey baby, don't touch me. Gue nyentuh. Ini apa ya? Kayaknya gue bakal kena copyright nih. Nah, tuh press. Cuy 16 nih mana? Cuy 16. What the fuck? Gue tonjok malah kayak gitu bangke. Ulang. Parah, gue nggak tahu. Waduh guys, ini kita nggak bisa lanjutin di misi burger karena si itunya kali nggak ada ya, Jeffrey-nya. Dari jam 10 malam sampai jam 6 pagi atau jam 10 dan jam 6. Mana sih, nggak ngerti gua. Kita ke misi lain deh. Nah, kita akan menjalankan misi dari Ryder. Mampus, nabrak mau rumah gua tuh. Pagar rumah gua hancur. Misi dari Ryder. Katalis.
Hey, Ryder, what the
Ya,
hell
Katalis.
you doing?
Nigga, I couldn't find that wet I buried.
Ryder
So I make
mau
my own
melinting.
drugs. Easy, fool.
Man, don't do that. You'll saute the both of us.
Morning, boys.
Man, who you calling boy, fool?
Well, what should I
Ketemu
call you?
polisi lagi.
How about prick?
Polisi bangke ini.
Yeah, prick works.
Man, fuck you.
Bitch, get out of here. Smells good.
Bau-bau.
What's cooking? Where's mine?
Man, just chill out, alright?
Gue bakal nyanyi ya, karena bakal ada copyright tuh.
My wife loves this stuff, man.
Aja.
Anyway, there's a train gonna make an unscheduled stop just down the way. It's got a, how you say, little something on board for you boys. Square business, man.
Gak ngerti gue sama polisi nih.
Catch you later, homeboys.
Asshole.
Oh, Carl, try not to kill any more respected police officers. Please.
Crime has certainly
Padahal
gone
dia
up since
tahu
you got
ini
back
dia
here.
si Ryder lagi masak
Just
apa,
doing
dia
my
tahu.
part for the community. Your train's gonna be there in 5.
Polisi yang modusnya doang nih. Drive Ryder's truck to the
Drive,
commute train.
CJ. Seeing as you missed the driver and all.
Not your shit again.
Ke
Don't give me
kereta-kereta
a
ya.
hard time about my driving. I ain't got the energy for it, man.
Well, don't go roll the damn car.
Oke, kita
over,
bakal
blow us
lanjut
all
ke
up in
titik
flames then.
berikutnya.
Nah, I ain't.
Wah, ini dia. Ini kok
Yeah, here we go.
That's our
Ini apa
train,
nih?
all right. Shit, look like some Northside Vagos got it
aduh,
first.
kok berantem coy. Apa nih udah? Wah, ini geng balas. Protect their train from geng balas.
All is trying to crash the
Gua malah
party.
panen keren
Can't
aja.
penny tote every gang in South Central.
Man, we gon' smoke
Tembakin aja semua.
assholes. Go check out the train, CJ.
Oke, kita. Aduh, darah gue mati lagi. Tunggu, kita soyam dulu ya. Nggak bisa nih kayak gini, gue males ngulang-ngulang. Kita bakal naik ke train kereta.
Damn, what is that?
Chill out, fool. We gon' be right behind you.
Santai. Wah,
Throw me some boxes,
masa sendiri?
CJ.
Ataukah kita ngelemparin apa? Joy dulu. Nah, sepuluh ya. Aduh, susah cok. Susah juga nih. Deh, kocak. Wah, ini analognya soalnya terbalik.
Damn, not so hard.
Pala lu. Susah ini coy. Bang, kayak ini gimana sih? Apa sih ini? Dilempar ke situ, cok. Wah. Aduh, waktunya habis. Nggak bisa nih kayak gini nih. Cuma dapat 3, cok.
You as bad as tossing as you is driving.
Tai. Kita bakal ulang misi ini coy, yang rada-rada susah nih di sini. Jadi kita bakal
Damn,
ngasih
what is
kita adik
that?
lagi gitu, nyebelin.
Chill out, fool. We gonna be right behind you.
Soalnya gua ngelempar agak-agak aneh gitu. Kocak. Nah, itu dia.
I got it.
Nah, itu dia. Ayo dong. Nah, keren. Oh my god.
Keep them coming.
Mantap. 6 lagi guys. 5 lagi guys. Aduh, di mana nih? Woi, kok nggak bisa ngelempar-lempar ini? Kok malah di iniin?
Shit, I nearly dropped them.
4 lagi. Come on. Waduh. Dia aneh nih, nggak bisa dilempar-lempar. Oh gitu. Oh gitu.
Oh yeah.
2 lagi.
Can't stop me.
Oh. 1 lagi padahal tuh.
As you is drunk.
Jadi L1-nya agak ditahan gitu ternyata. Aduh, kita ngulang lagi guys. Oke, kita bakal mulai lagi, cok. Udah nembak-nembak kayak gitu, harusnya nih kita udah ketiga kalinya harus bisa.
Damn, what is that?
Karena gue tahu sekarang
Chill out, fool. We gonna be
L1-nya
right
tinggal
behind
ditekan
you.
agak lama aja. Padahal
Throw me some boxes, CJ.
ngeselin banget. Sebenarnya kayak gitu doang. Nah, tuh. Wah, kelamaan.
Damn, not so hard.
Nah,
Nice throw. fool.
nice. Nice, 5 lagi.
Shit, I nearly dropped
Good.
them.
Good. 3 lagi guys.
Oh yeah.
2 lagi guys. Gila nih.
And another one.
Another one. One more. Aduh, susah cok. Tinggal 38 detik lagi.
Okay, CJ, that's all I can carry.
Ih, akhirnya bisa
I'm in
juga.
the car and stab out, fool.
Oke.
Man, we got one time on our
Udah
tape.
bintang 3 lagi. Help. Oh, deket coy, untungnya.
Take this, you punk, one time.
Wah, rame amat.
Dealing with the kung fu master.
Gue nggak tahu nih, gue masuk aja ke
Head
sini
back to Grove Street, fool.
biar bintangnya hilang. Haha. Oke, bener ternyata bintangnya hilang. Akhirnya ya bisa ya, setelah 3 kali mencoba. Setelah tahu celah-celahnya seperti apa, akhirnya setelah sekian lama menunda 10 tahun baru bisa. Oh, di sana titiknya. Sedap.
Damn, homie, your stuff was tight.
Jadi
you
muter
too,
gitu.
homie.
Kocak.
LB's coming over to stash the shit.
Okay, later then.
Oke.
For life, CJ. For life, you heard?
Akhirnya. Oke, thank you banget yang udah nonton dari awal sampai akhir. Terima kasih. Waduh, kenapa sih suka lewat? Itu ya, kesel banget gue. Jangan lupa subscribe, like,